Dude, now I'll tell about numbers and the different types of them. There are many types. First types begins with natural numbers. Natural numbers means they are just counting numbers. You keep on counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you keep on continue. These are known as natural numbers. And then comes what known as whole numbers. Whole numbers are like this. If you add to all these numbers, if you take out 0, it's going to become whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this continuous number. To this 0, if you keep on adding negative numbers, that going to become integers. Integers means negatives of natural number. First you put 0, then positive natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if you add even negatives of numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this continues. This known as integers, positive negative natural numbers with 0. And if you take any number between 0 and 1 and you keep on divide numbers, it's going to become fractions, or you can write that as decimals. Fractions like 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 1 by 2, or anything, they are known as fractions. Or decimals are known as points, like this one, that is 0.123 or 0.582. These are all, both fractions and decimals together, known as rational numbers. They are rational numbers, and they are next after integers are rational numbers. Among decimals also, there are many types of decimals. Those decimals are ending decimals, they are known as terminating decimals, 0.2, 0.35, or 0.125, or non-terminating or recurring decimals. Recurring decimals are this one, they won't end, they keep on continuing. 1.232323, this 23 keeps on continuing, or 0.33333, it keeps on continuing. Or another one, 0.158158, these three digits going to keep on continue. These are known as recurring decimals, and these are known as terminating decimals. These all numbers, rational numbers, irrational, and the rational numbers opposite is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means these numbers which are like this: root 2, root 3, or the value of pi, and another value of e, and these are all known as irrational numbers. If we expand pi, this one, that is 22 by 7, this is just approximate value of pi. This is not accurate value. Accurate value is 3.1416, like this it keeps on continuing. 159, like this it keeps on continuing. And even after hundreds of decimals, hundreds or thousands of digits, you cannot find any pattern which keeps on repeating. It is not even continuing, not even terminate at any point, or not even repeat like 1 digit, 2 digits, or even 100 digits, 1000 digits. Completely different patterns you keep on getting if you expand any of the rational numbers, like by root 2 or root 3 numbers. And these all numbers from the beginning I told: natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all of them together known as real numbers. These are all together real numbers. And these, the numbers which are not real numbers, are known as non-real numbers. I tell what is non-real numbers. Non-real numbers means it starts by root of -1, or it is written as I. This root of -1 can never be written. A number inside root cannot be negative in real numbers. You take this number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, that is a number plane, -1, -2, -3. It keeps on any number. If you keep on expanding, it never comes in this number line, because it completely exists in a different plane, and it is completely different. You can never compare it to the normal number I, 2i, 3i, and here minus I, minus of 2i, and minus of 3i. We must keep the inside. If negative number comes, we must keep as I, and we can never write in real form, and it's going to become its own geometry, that is imaginary number system. It becomes new number, and if you going to square, then only it can become a real number. I square going to become root of minus 1 whole square, that is square and square root cancels, minus 1 remains. That is, you take the I first number, I times of I means it jumps to here, it comes to real plane, but by itself it never comes to real plane, and it exists in a imaginary plane. And any number which consists of two of those numbers, both imaginary and real numbers, are known as finally complex number. These are all the number system numbers which going to exist, and different types of numbers. Bye.